Hi you guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video, from the title as you must have guessed, is of the products that internet has literally made me buy. It's like everywhere I see there's virality of these products. These products are just like, I keep scrolling and all I see is these products back to back, and I got influenced into buying it. I am a person who got easily influenced after seeing everything, and I thought that if I could share with you what is worth buying, what is not worth buying, because it's overwhelming. Internet these days is kind of overwhelming. I will be sharing my insights, my thoughts of whether the product was worth buying or not, because I've already spent my money and maybe I can help you save some of yours. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video and let's see what's worth the hype. Starting off with a very highly hyped product, the Dot and Key Watermelon Sunscreen. It is a cooling sunscreen that I saw everywhere. It's like people were talking about how it disappears into the skin and it feels like nothing. And I was like, let's just test this one out for the good. And guys, let me tell you that this one is actually, do you see? I didn't even rub it and it's already absorbed into the skin. It is beautiful. I really like this one because of its properties that it says. So I picked up the watermelon variant, which is like for the oilier skin. I have a very dry skin, but I did not know that this particular variant is for the oily skin. But nonetheless, it works amazing on my skin. I put this and I feel so calm and relaxed, especially my skin on the face and body wherever I apply it is amazing. But the only thing I find about this is like I did not expect the tube to be this tiny. I thought that the product is more. I did not know that it's 50 grams because this retails for 445 rupees. Of course, you can find it on discount always. But I was like expecting a bigger tube maybe, but for the product that it comes in, it is beautiful, you guys. Whether I would invest in this, definitely worth investing. Moving on to the next product that I was highly influenced to buy is from the house of Beauty of Josiane, Joseon, however you call it, is their serum. It's their Glow Deep Serum, and this particular one was everywhere. Everywhere that I could see it, I was just like, oh my god, this serum needs to be bought. And to be honest with you guys, this gives a very nice glow to the face. It makes it really plump and beautiful. I have been in awe of this product ever since I bought it, and I would say that it's really good for somebody who's looking for a good glow serum. Like, it really does what it says, it makes your skin glow. I would definitely say that I would invest in this one. Moving on to yet another viral product that I saw everywhere on the feed is this Earth Rhythm Glow Surge. This one is a spray sunscreen. It literally is like you just take this and you spray wherever you feel like, and when you rub this, it leaves a glow. It leaves a subtle glow onto the skin, as you can see. And I really like this for the body. Okay, but when I use this on my face, oh my god, I literally sprayed this on my face one day when I was in a hurry to go out, and it burned the shit out of my eyes. It literally, my eyes were burning like there's no tomorrow, and I quickly went and I rinsed off my entire face. I had put makeup and I had to redo my makeup. It was burning that bad. I would say for the body, it's really nice, but for the face, it did give me a quite a high kind of a burning sensation. And honestly, for the face, I wouldn't say it's good, but it's really cooling on the body. And for the price point, it's really good. I think this retails under 300 rupees, and you can just, it comes with a really cool packaging where you can just put this log on your bag or anywhere you're going, and you can just carry this sunscreen. That's the point of it, I guess, so that you keep reapplying it. And that's the best part. I think it's a good idea. Yet another very highly hyped product, which was this Maybelline 30-hour Lumi Matte Foundation. Now this particular product was everywhere on my page. It's like I scroll Instagram, it's there. I scroll YouTube shorts, it's there. Every influencer, everybody out there is recommending this foundation like it's like a revolutionary launch or something like that. Yes, it is lightweight as it says. It is quite nice to feel the texture to be, smooth and really glides on beautifully on the face. It covers all your blemishes and gives you a really natural finish. But at the same time, guys, like it has been put out there, like it's the best thing out there. I don't know about that. It's just that I feel that yes, it is beautiful. If you ask me which one's better between the Fit Me Maybelline and this one, I would definitely say this one. I'm not a big fan of Fit Me like many others are. It oxidizes a lot on my skin, so I am not a big fan of that. But this particular one, I really enjoy this one. And yes, I do like this product a lot, and I got influenced into buying it, and I kind of don't regret buying it. The next product that was really hyped and I saw it everywhere was this Sun Kisser Glow Blush or highlighter or whatever you want to call it. I got this in the shade 02 Uptown Glow. Now, this particular one was one of my favorite influencers, kind of not collab, the face. She was the face of this particular one, which is Malvika Sitlani, and I really love her content, and she was the reason that I started YouTubing and took my makeup game seriously. Talk about the product, it is really beautiful. It blends out beautifully. It gives you that beautiful kind of corally effect. Is applying this in front of you, and you can see how beautifully it sits on top of the makeup. It's just, it gives you that beautiful shine and a beautiful tint of color that you need. See how flawless and beautiful it looks on the skin. And I haven't seen something like this which gives a tint and is a glowy formula. And at an affordable price. This one retails for 699, but I got it on discount, and I'm sure you can always find Maybelline products on discount. So this particular one is definitely worth the hype. So the next product again literally broke the internet. It was everywhere. Every influencer was talking about it. And of course, I got influenced into buying this one. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Foundation. Did not expect the tube to be this chota. And I was like, okay, this is maybe 30 ml product. I got this in the shade Latte 300N, which is my shade, and I kind of would have to say that what it claims it's like a filter on your skin, it definitely is, you guys. It is a filter onto your skin. It is my most used foundation as of now, and I keep going back to this one no matter which foundation I'm using, because the finish that this particular one gives is truly unique. Like, I haven't seen many products like this. But yes, you have to prep your skin really well before using this, because it kind of is a formula that is not very dry skin friendly. So I would suggest that if you're a dry skin person like I am, you have to skin prep and then use this. It's going to do wonders for you. I think it is totally worth the hype, and I am glad I bought this one. Moving on to yet another hyped product from Huda Beauty, which was the Huda Beauty Easy Bake in the shade Ube Cake. This particular one is electric lilac shade, and I got influenced into buying it because I already have Easy Bake and Cherry Blossom and one more shade. It's feeling like I'm missing out if I'm not buying this, and I got influenced into buying it, you guys. And this is a beautiful brightening powder, I would say that. But again, you have to have your concealer and everything in place. You cannot use this as your regular powder to set your face, because it has a slight tint which is, if you've used Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom, you would know that it gives a tint. This is a darker tint than that. It really brightens up the area that you've applied it on. Sometimes I have to apply it all over the face just to match my under eyes, because if I do the under eyes with this one and some other powder, it will show the difference. So I have to use it on the whole face, and that is something I have discovered with this particular one. So yeah, if you're a deeper skin tone or my skin tone, maybe this will work for you. But if you're a fair skin tone person, Ube Birthday Cake is not really the shade for you. This is turning out to be a Huda Beauty favorite kind of a video, because the next product again is from Huda Beauty. It's the Easy Bake and Snatch. Now this particular one came out, I think, some time back, and it is like a pressed form of the powder. To take this pressed powder and put this as a finishing powder on your face. instantly brightens the under eye. Do you see that? It looks so much brighter than it was looking previously. So this is why I have been loving this Easy Bake and Snatch. I use this as a finishing powder to just carve out my face, to do the under eyes. Look at how bright my under eyes are looking. It's not even funny. So I just use this entire thing to brighten up the face, and I'm so glad I gave into the hype because it has become a staple, and yes, it's definitely worth the hype. Moving on to some of the hair care I got heavily influenced into buying. I have a very dry hair type. It's literally very dry and frizzy. This is my hair after straightening them. Otherwise, they're really dry and frizzy. So to tame that frizz, this Olaplex number 7 bonding repair oil was going viral everywhere. I saw every influencer talking about this. As you can tell, I've already finished it so much because I love this oil for my frizzy hair. It literally tames down the frizz, makes my hair shine, and is a beautiful, beautiful formula that will not make your hair sticky. It will give it that shine, and so it's a beautiful bonding oil. And I am glad I gave into the hype and bought this because it's been a lifesaver when it comes to hair health. Another item that I bought in the hair care category is this K18 Biometric Hair Science Leave-In Molecular Hair Mask. So what you're supposed to do is take 3 pumps of it, rub it between your hands, wait till it turns white and put this on your hair. Leave it for 4 minutes and then do it. Over time, it will repair the molecular gaps that might be in your hair, and it will fill in those gaps. So honestly, I used it quite a few times and I do feel that it helps with the hair health. But I got a medium size. This is 15 ml, and I think I need to buy a bigger product. In my case, it has not been something that has drastically changed my hair or something like that, and it does burn a hole in your pocket. Cost a lot, but I've heard great results of people who use this K18 mask, and I'm still waiting for mine to show great results. Last product that I have for this video is this teeny tiny Estee Lauder Night Repair Eye Cream. This particular one is literally so tiny, you guys. It's the tiniest product that I own, and it is basically an eye cream that you put under the eyes every night before you go to sleep. I use this along with the Advanced Night Repair, and I put this under the eye every night. It's not been long, it's been a week, but I do feel that my under eyes do feel refreshed when I wake up every morning using this. It's great for, I would say, somebody with heavy dark circles, kind of soothing. I have yet to see the result of it transforming, like lightening the under eye or something like that, because it will take time. But I feel really nice using it, and I think that it's totally worth the hype. So that was the video with all the hype products that I got influenced to buy, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.